Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HP Smart Tank Plus 555, and I'm gonna show you how to make a copy of any document you want on this printer. So firstly you should open the scanner glass, and here you should locate the document, and here as you can see we have this white border, and our document we should locate on this border, on this corner, and that's it. So now just close the cover, and if you wanna perform the colored copy, so click on color copy button or black and white button if you wanna make the copy in gray shade. So for example, I wanna perform the black and white copy, so click on this button and wait a while. Cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.